we finna show y'all what we like to do in the rain. It's raining, but you can't see it.
Tie and key, rainy day.
Yo, I never got to do that before in my life, and I always wanted to jump in the pool while it was raining. Okay, how you feel?
My mom would never let me do this. My hair is a mess. My mom would never let me jump in the pool while it was raining, and now I can.
The pool water is it's actually like warm.
It's on video, not slow-mo, right?
Yeah, it's on video.
Okay, just show me.
It's so warm. It's beautiful.
This is so dope. This is a great experience. It's just like this water. The water is fine. People, go rain swimming. It's beautiful.